Cirrhosis is when your liver gets lots of scar tissue because of lasting damage. Eating too many carbs, drinking alcohol, or having lots of sugary foods can harm your liver over the years. Too much fat can build up in your liver, leading to scars known as fibrosis. This can turn into cirrhosis, which is very dangerous. You might not feel anything wrong for a long time, but your liver is getting more damaged inside. This scar tissue takes over your liver, making it hard for the liver to clean your body and manage hormones. People often call this silent cirrhosis because it can happen without you noticing many signs. Over 25% of people in the US suffer from fatty liver disease, so it's important to notice the signs and symptoms before it can threaten your life. In today's video, we will share with you 10 early signs of liver cirrhosis and liver disease. Plus, we'll give you easy remedies and food advice to help repair your liver if you're facing this issue. These are the early signs of liver damage. 1. Spider veins. When the liver isn't working well, you might see tiny red spider-like lines show up on your upper body. This happens because the liver can't remove extra estrogen properly. As a result, your veins expand too much, and you can see them on your skin. 2. Yellow skin and eyes. If your skin and eyes start to look yellow, it might be a clear sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is struggling to remove a yellow substance named bilirubin from the blood. When the liver isn't working right, bilirubin builds up, causing the yellow color. 3. Red hands. If the palms of your hands turn red, it could be a sign of liver issues. Almost a quarter of people with severe liver problems get this condition, known as palmar erythema. It happens because the liver can't remove estrogen the way it should, making the small blood vessels in the hands expand. 4. Swollen belly, ascites. If your belly swells and sticks out, it might be a sign that there's too much fat in your liver. This can lead to scarring and more serious liver problems. The liver starts to leak fluid into the area between your organs, making the stomach look puffy. 5. Bigger chest in men. If men notice their chest area getting bigger, it might be because of liver problems. This can look like man boobs. It's a sign the liver isn't working right. When the liver isn't healthy, you can have more estrogen, a female hormone, leading to growth in the chest area. 6. Thicker nails. If you notice your nails getting thicker and curved, it might be because your liver isn't doing its job well. When the liver is struggling, our body doesn't take in nutrients the right way, which can change the shape of our nails. But remember, this can also happen due to issues with the heart, lungs, or thyroid. 7. White spots on eyelids. If you see white bumps or patches on your eyelids, it might be due to liver problems. These white spots, known as xanthomas, are little cholesterol deposits. They form because your liver isn't managing fats in your blood properly. 8. Puffy right leg or foot. When the liver isn't working right, the right leg or foot can become swollen or puffy. This is known as edema. If you push on the swollen area and it leaves a mark, that's a sign. It's because the liver is inflamed and not functioning properly on that side of the body. 9. Purple spots on skin. If you see flat purple-colored spots on your skin, it might be due to a condition known as lichen planus. This can be linked to hepatitis C, a virus that harms the liver and makes liver enzymes very active. 10. Dandruff. White flakes on your scalp might mean you're lacking some B vitamins that your liver usually stores. A damaged liver might not handle these vitamins well, leading to a flaky scalp. Also, if your liver doesn't use B vitamins right, the skin on your feet can crack. 11th, bruise spots. You might notice small purple or red spots on your skin, mainly on the arms or lower legs. These spots appear because a damaged liver doesn't produce enough proteins that help blood clot, leading to these tiny underskin bruises. 12th, bumpy skin. Some folks get little red bumps around hair roots, especially on the arms in front of the legs. This is known as keratosis and happens when there's not enough usable vitamin A in the body. The liver keeps vitamin A and makes a liquid bile that lets you get vitamin A from what you eat. If the liver has problems, this process might not work right, leading to these bumps. But if you experience the symptoms we just mentioned, then you will want to know what steps you can take to start healing your liver and protecting it from further damage. 1. Eat plenty of natural green veggies like kale, collard greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower. These veggies have special parts in them that help calm down swelling in the liver and help it fix itself. 2. Start using digestive helper pills before you eat. Pick a brand that has ox bile or cleaned bile salts in it. This helps stop the liver from getting more scars and helps it make bile to take in vitamin A, vitamin E, and other good things from food. 3. Try intermittent or prolonged fasting. Try skipping meals sometimes or eating for a short time each day. When you do this, your body can make special cells that help fix liver tissue. It also calms down the liver and can stop more scars from forming. 4th, stop eating sugar and drinking alcohol. Both alcohol and sweet foods are the main reasons people get liver problems and cirrhosis. Alcohol hurts liver cells directly, leading to swelling and scars. Sugar, especially the type in fizzy drinks, does the same thing. 5. Start taking herbs that are good for the liver. Milk thistle is a strong herb that has something called silymarin. This helps make the liver cells strong so they can work properly. It also helps heal these cells from damage caused by alcohol, medicine, and sugar. We also suggest using tocotrienols, a type of vitamin E, which can lessen scar tissue in the body. Other helpful things are turmeric, garlic, caraway, parsley, and fresh ginger. By doing these things, you can keep your liver safe from more harm and help it heal from any harm it already has. The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body, performing over 500 vital functions to keep you alive and healthy. By spotting the early signs of liver damage shared in today's video, you can begin to make improvements to your lifestyle to improve your health. The action steps shared today will help in reducing inflammation in the liver, which in turn often leads to healthy weight loss and a reduction of scar tissue. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.